We're here. You see this phone number? You need to get out your cell phone right now if you live in the Upper Keys and put this number in your cell phone. That could save you from being stranded. Hi, I'm Rebecca in the Keys with Florida Keys Television TV 88, and I'm here with Tim from Tim's Mobile Service. Tim, tell us about your business.
Well, I've been in business for 9 years now. I'm here in the Upper Keys. I service Key Largo to Matacumbe. My hours of operation are 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you break down on the side of the road, I'll be happy to get to you. I just can't guarantee immediate service. I have scheduling appointments that I've made, but if it's possible, I will stop and help.
Yeah, you've helped me out a lot in the past. I think a few times, right?
That's correct.
I remember one time I was at Founders Park and my battery went dead and I couldn't figure out how to get to it.
That's correct. And you had the car where it's not under the hood, so they're not always accessible. So.
Right. And so what type of cars do you service?
I service every type. I service European, American, Japanese, doesn't matter. I'll service whatever you drive. Keys cruisers to luxury cars.
All right. And so you've been fixing cars for a long time now then?
About 30, 40 years, I guess. It's 40 years now.
Okay. All right. And how many people work for you?
I have no employees. I'm Tim from Tim's Mobile. That's it.
You can see the van running all around town. I see you all the time on Plantation Key.
I work a lot, and like I said, 6 days a week, 7 to 5. So yes, I'm definitely on the road a lot.
And you have a place up here in Key Largo. What do you use this place for?
This is basically my hobby shop. I keep tools, supplies, work on my vehicles, and my close family, yes.
Right, but if somebody cannot get up here, somebody can't get to you, you can come to them.
Absolutely do. This is what I do is I am mobile. I will come to your place of business, your home, whatever's most convenient for you.
Well, thank you very much. Now, Tim, I think we want to look at the Florida Keys television mobile here.
No worries.
There's a little rattle going on, so let's go look at that.
Let's go take a look.
All right, Tim, well, this car has a rattle, but what other kind of repairs do you do?
I do oil changes, I do tire rotation, I do alternators, starters, air conditioning, basically your general maintenance on vehicles.
So the really great part of Tim's Mobile Service is that you don't have to tow your vehicle anywhere. He will come to you, and that has been invaluable to me over the years. He's come to rescue me a few times, sometimes even when I'm just having problems with my cars. He'll come stop over at my house, he'll fix it while I'm at work, and that is just invaluable. In this day and age of being so busy, everybody's got their things going on, then that's just an asset to have in your community. All clear? And there you have it, fast, reliable service anywhere, anytime in the Upper Keys. Rebecca in the Keys, signing off for now.